basics of it. Hells, that's the 223. Here we go. We're going to use this little device here. It's a laser bullet. It's for sighting in your scope. There's the Eotech. Got the flip up sights, front post. We'll sight in on the top doorknob over there. We'll use that. Okay. Sight bullets in. There's the laser on the doorknob. It's coming out of the end of the barrel here, as you can see. Okay. And if you look down the side window, you can see it is set right on top of the post. See that there? Okay. Kind of hard to see with this camera, but it is right on top of the post. Okay, got it? Okay, so now we turn on the Eotech. We put the back side post, or put the back side down. Dot still on doorknob. Okay. Now look through Eotech, and you see a dot. It's the dot. It's on the doorknob. Anywhere you move around, it stays on the doorknob. That's the beauty of the Eotech, is wherever you position your head, the dot looks like it stays on the target, which it does. To build, this is how I think you sighted yours in. You had the dot right on the top of your post, and you thought if you moved your head, it would stay there. As you can see, it does not. It stays on the target. We still have that one on there. Took it out. There it is. Okay. No dot on the doorknob, unless you look through the Eotech, and dot still on the doorknob. No matter where you move. See? Eotech works great for quick acquisition of your target. You pull it up, keep both eyes open, and you got it. Now, if you flip the back side up and you want to use the sights, you can see that if you try to use the post there, you can still see the dot. It's right on top of the post because that's where it's going to shoot. But if you go up here, it looks as though you've come off the target, which you really haven't. See, the post has come off the target, but the dot is still on it. So that should answer your question.